use the step. So step, kick, or step, around, or step. So try to flow through these positions. Up, back, forward and down, up and back. So try to flow through these positions. Forward, down and back. And then again release the arms after you finish. I'm going to release the muscles of the back and lumbosacral fascia by dropping forward. This time keeping the legs straight. Place the hands, come a little up. The head and the arm is the only part moving. The right arm down, swing. Left arm, swing. Right arm, left arm. Just do the last few slowly so you can see what we're doing. Here's the transition through. One arm to the hip, other off. One arm to the hip, other off. And finish there. Just flicking the head. I want you to now try to extend the foot. So, as the leg comes up, extend. Then it will come back behind. Again, extend. So here, extend, extend, turn and step. With the left leg, the same. Extend, extend, turn and step. One more. Good. This one can also be adapted. I'll show you how. So we step with the left. 1, 2, step back here. Step with the right. 1, 2, step back. Step with the left. 1, 2, step back. What I would just remind you, whichever kick it is that you're doing, please try to avoid doing this. Try to avoid from here lifting straight up or straight round, because it's going to become very muscular and it's going to create a lot of contraction in your hip flexor, which is kind of the opposite to what we want. Instead, use the step. So step, kick, or step around, or step outside. Yeah? So using this step will generate forward momentum. My momentum is going this way. We want to use that momentum to float, to let the leg float up. So yes, of course, we have to give some. Excellent. Thank you. Okay, so that brings us to the end of lesson 3. From the next classes, we're going to start to look at the Pilatangi form or Shiva form, one of the more secret forms of Kalari. And we're going to start to get into some real lower body strengthening. So I hope you're enjoying the course so far. Please stay in touch using the forum and ask any questions as and when they come up. Till next time, Nalekanam.